Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are talking all about holiday drinks. This one is for the adults. So today we're going to make a jingle punch, which is made for a crowd, or even like a small home get together, or if you need to take ingredients with you to a party, you can do that as well too. And also I'm going to show you guys how to make cute ice cubes that'll take your drink up just a little bit of a notch to elevate it. Alright guys, come join me in the kitchen and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we are back in my kitchen. Thanks for joining me, and I'm going to show you how to make this jingle punch. And I literally mean a punch. So the first thing I want to do is talk to you about the ingredients that you need, that are needed, not optional. So needed, you need a sparkling rosé, you need some type of like cherry soda or 7-Up, and then you also need a whipped vodka. You don't necessarily have to have these brands, but this is kind of what you need to set. And then also optional items, guys, frozen cranberries. Guys, don't make this harder than what it is. Get you some cranberries, throw the bag in the freezer, you have frozen cranberries. Promise, it's that easy. And then I made some ice cubes, which are sure to be the talk of when you're serving drinks at your party, or if you're at home and you want to be a little bit more festive, you can do that as well too. So basically, I made ice cubes, water, number one. I needed the cranberries, and I just have fresh sprigs of rosemary in my actual ice cubes, and I let these freeze over 2 hours, and then they will go directly into the punch, and I'll show you as we go. Alright guys, so let's jump in. Just a reminder before we jump in, these two things are optional. You don't need them. The only thing you need are these 3 items and ice, and a cup to serve it in, because it's going to make quite a big mason jar of actual drink. Alright, so let's get started. I have my mason jar here. If you want to make a bigger picture, you can. You can make a punch bowl, but we're gonna do it to my mason jar. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop my pretty ice cubes on out. Pop these right on in. Give it a couple, right? Okay. Pop those on in. And then the first thing you're gonna take is your cherry soda, okay? And we're gonna give it a second. If you were doing this recipe in full, you would take this whole 2 liter, okay, and pour it in. Guys, the whole thing goes in when you're making a big batch. Then you're gonna take some sparkling rosé, and you're just gonna drop that all up in there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Don't get too happy, Justin. Don't get too happy. And then the last thing we're gonna do is take that yummy whipped vodka and top it off. And just top it off. Just a little, right? Just a little. And the beautiful thing is too, guys, once this drink starts to settle, these ice cubes will melt, right? And it'll start to float. But if you want to give it a little bit more pizzazz, those frozen cranberries that we were talking about, drop those in there as well too. And if you want to, you can add more ice cubes in here if you want it to look a little bit more festive. And there you have your jingle punch. Just remember, guys, when you are doing this in whole, you want to take your whole bottle of champagne, your full 2 liters of cherry 7-Up, and your whole thing of vodka. You will love it. Alright guys, we are ready to have my cocktail for the night. We're going to take my mason jar. This is how I'm going to serve my guest. But today it's just me, so I'm going to serve myself a mason jar. I already have those cute ice cubes in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of, because I love cranberries, I'm going to add a little bit more frozen cranberries in. And then I'm going to pour myself a great drink as more cranberries fall in. Alright guys, we have our jingle punch. I'm going to head out for the night. I deserve this drink. And you guys, want to wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and cheers.